This camera is waterproof to 10 meters, IPX8, capable of functioning in freezing temperatures, and comes with PureVideo mode for outstanding low-light photography. The frosting on the cake? It allows quick charging, running from 0 to 80% in just 22 minutes. So if you're looking for an action camera that smoothly mixes complex functionality with a user-friendly design, the Insta360 Ace Pro might be the game changer you've been looking for. Ready to document your next adrenaline-fueled adventure? Document your next. Hello there, adventurers and technological enthusiasts. Let me introduce you to the Insta360 Ace Pro if you're looking for a game-changing action camera. This camera, which was recently released by Insta360, is making waves in the world of action photography, and for good reason. At first sight, the Ace Pro sticks out with its sleek design and 2.4-inch flip touchscreen, a welcome break from many action cameras' usual front-facing screens. The fold-out screen not only gives a generous preview for vlogging circumstances, but it also comes in handy in challenging situations, such as when placed on RC vehicles or chest mounts. The magnetic mounting mechanism provides another level of simplicity, making it simple to convert between multiple mounts for a variety of shooting possibilities. However, it's not just a matter of size. The Ace Pro also has 8K recording capabilities, a 48MP sensor, and a Leica Samarit lens, offering amazing pictures for your trips. This camera is all about providing you with creative flexibility, with features like AI Highlight Assistant for real-time highlights and free-frame video mode for post-processing changes. So, whether you're an experienced pro or a newcomer to action photography, the Insta360 Ace Pro appears to be set to change your shooting experience. Aside from its sturdy specifications, the Ace Pro is not afraid of difficult conditions.